In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through how to open Google, navigate to Google Classroom, and join a class using a class code starting right from the Google homepage. Begin by opening your web browser and going to google.com. When the page loads, look for the area highlighted on screen and click it. In most cases, this highlight will indicate the Google Apps icon near the top right, the small grid that opens a panel of Google services. From that panel, click Classroom. If it's not immediately visible, scroll within the panel or use the search box inside the panel to find Classroom. This takes you to classroom.google.com. Once Classroom opens, click the highlight shown on screen. This is typically the plus symbol at the top, which is where you add or join classes. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account your school or organization has provided. Using the correct account matters because you can only join classes your account is allowed to access. Next, click Join Class. This option switches you to the join flow rather than creating a class, which is reserved for teachers. You should now see a place to enter a class code. Click the highlighted field labeled Class Code.